Hey there, it's Janice. Today I'm diving into something we all love, eating out. And guess what? I've got some awesome tips on how you can save big with senior discounts. First off, did you know that many restaurants offer special discounts just for seniors? Yep, it's true. Places like Denny's, IHOP, and even some fast food chains have fantastic deals. All you need to do is ask, but here's a pro tip. Always keep an eye out for the terms and conditions. Some places might have specific days or times when the discounts apply. And hey, it never hurts to carry a valid ID just in case they need to check. Now, let's talk about a gem I recently discovered, Purple Hearts Club. They have a whole section dedicated to senior discounts, including dining offers. Head over to their website, purpleheartsclub.org senior discounts, and you'll find a treasure trove of deals. It's super easy to navigate, and you can even filter by location to find the best deals near you. Imagine enjoying a delicious meal with friends or family and saving money while you're at it. Sounds like a win-win to me. Oh, and don't forget to sign up for newsletters from your favorite restaurants. They often send exclusive deals and coupons straight to your inbox. Plus, some places even offer extra discounts on your birthday. So, the next time you're planning a meal out, remember these tips. Senior discounts are a fantastic way to enjoy your favorite foods without breaking the bank. That's all for today, folks. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more savvy senior tips. Happy dining!